Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite face routine. So my favorite face care routine I use this morning, I use at night. Sometimes I'll sneak some little things in between this kit, but this is my go-to 4-step face routine, and I've been officially using it for 3 years. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to share all the details and all of the products with you. So if you would like to check it out as well, don't go anywhere, stick around with me, and of course keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And let's move on to the stars of the show, my favorite skincare routine products. Starting with step 1, the green tea and enzyme powder wash. It has baking soda, which is great at cleansing out your pores without stripping your skin. It is pH balanced and so good for all skin types. Also, green tea is a powerful antioxidant for your skin that helps with anti-aging, and it also helps with inflammation. Moving on to step 2, the toner. So this is I'm From Rice Toner. It includes rice extract. It helps to add luster to your skin, and it even helps to repair your natural skin barrier. Here we have step 3. It is the freshly juiced vitamin C drops, and it is a serum. It helps with anti-aging. It will smooth and even out your skin tone, and it also helps to minimize your pores. And lastly, I have the vitamin E mask. This is an amazing moisturizer. The vitamin E in this mask, it helps to enhance the effects of vitamin C. So the vitamin E mask will help to brighten your skin, it prevents aging, and it also helps your skin to become firmer and more hydrated. Changed up my top a little bit. I got my curls back. I want to go through the steps of this skincare routine with you. So with the green tea enzyme face wash, I'm going to put a little bit in my hand. You don't have to use much. A little bit does go a long way. I do like to use a little bit extra because I guess I'm just extra. Now, I don't usually use the spray bottle to add the water. I just add it from whether I'm in the shower or at the sink washing my face, but I'm doing it here, not in the bathroom with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just add some water to it. I mixed it until it was a consistency that I liked, and then I just start to apply it to my face. And it's really nice because this is a little bit like a scrub where you can feel the little like particles and everything in the scrub, but it's amazing because after I use this, my skin feels so smooth. Like there's no texture on it. I absolutely love it. So I like to work this all the way down my neck. Sometimes I'll even work it on my chest, and then I just keep working in until I am all good and I feel like I've got every single spot on my face. Once that is complete, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with some warm water. As I'm sure you could tell, I do spend a lot of time working my cleanser into my face. So I do spend a good, oh my gosh, like maybe 2 minutes or so, maybe more, getting my face nice and cleansed before I rinse the product off. Now it's time for the toner. This is a great toner. I love it. I don't like using a face pad or anything, so like a cotton pad, I just go ahead and add it to my hands, work it around on my palms, and then I press it into my skin. Then I'll start to smooth it out, and then once I feel like it's kind of drying, I'll go ahead and continue to press it into my skin. Then I air dry for a couple minutes, and then I'll move on to the next step. Ooh, now it's time for the serum. So I just like to use anywhere from like 8 to 12 droplets, just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that morning or night. And then I will work it on my hands. I don't like going directly to my face. I used to do that and I just don't like it. So I go to my hands. I'll also add a little bit of water. So I add a little water on my hand, mix it together, and then I start with the pressing on my face first to apply it. Then I start to rub it in, and once it feels like it's drying, I'll press it again. And as you can see here, I also make sure with every single one of the products, maybe just not the face wash, I add it to the tops of my hands. And then once that has sat a little bit and dried, we move on to step 4, and we're going to moisturize. I love this step as well. I really love every step of this routine. So I'm going to go ahead and add a good amount of it on. Again, I press and pat first, and then I start to rub it in and smooth it onto my skin. I don't forget down my neck and my chest, and of course the tops of my hands. And again, when it starts to feel like it's drying, or it's like my hand is sticking to the skin, I push and press the product a little more into my skin. So I keep pushing and pressing and pressing. And this product is so great because it makes your skin so bouncy. Let's watch my cheeks bounce. Love it. Love this skincare routine. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out today's video. I really enjoyed sharing with you my full skincare routine for daytime and nighttime. And also this kit is amazing because I found out about this kit through Megan Moon here on YouTube. So I will link her down below for you guys. She shares a lot of different fun videos, so you can check her out and see if she is an influencer that you would be interested in following, maybe her channel, and check her out on Instagram as well. So I'll be sure to do that. But I came across this kit through her and she has a great deal of like 45% off. It happens in like May and then again around November, December. So May will be here before you know it. So check it out. I did stock up in November. I bought 3 more kits. Yeah, I know. I'm going to use them. I fly through them. I already have to refill some of my other stuff. So thanks again for hanging out with me. I had so much fun. And all of my makeup lovers, my curl friends, my DIY nail gurus, I will see you again in the next video. Take care.